आपको आज जो ग्लोबल ब्रांड्स लगते हैं वो भी कभी ऐसे ही बिल्कुल लोकल थे, लेकिन जब वहां के लोगों ने उनका इस्तेमाल शुरू किया, उनका प्रचार शुरू किया, उनकी ब्रांडिंग की, उन पर गर्व किया, तो वो प्रोडक्ट्स लोकल से ग्लोबल बन गए। इसलिए आज से हर भारतवासी लोकल के लिए वोकल बनना, न सिर्फ लोकल प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदते हैं बल्कि उनका गर्व से प्रचार भी करते हैं।
Privilege for me to be here in the midst of all of you. Great pleasure because I've been closely associated with all of you in the direct selling industry. My belief always has been that the direct selling industry adds hugely to economic activity. It is a major driver of India's growth. And therefore, if you have to reap this advantage, it can be a huge nightmare as well if you are not able to create jobs. So if you have to create jobs, there are only two ways. One is to push manufacturing in a very big way, and the other is to push direct selling, so that many of you create jobs. You should also be able to do, right now many of you don't do manufacturing in India. Amway has started doing manufacturing in India, So my compliments to, they've set up a big plant in South India. I have not seen it, but I've seen photographs of it, so I appreciate what Amway has done. But each one of the companies must start doing manufacturing in India. If you're going to sell, while we have brought systems, we've brought discipline, we've brought guidelines, we've done this, we drafted this long time back. It took Ministry of Consumer Affairs some time, but they finally issued those guidelines. So there's now everybody in government accepts that there are Government of India guidelines, clear guidelines. How you people are an integral part of now, that has given respectability. Earlier, you people were, many states, Kerala, West Bengal, many of you were seen as people who were doing chit funds. You are not doing chit funds. You are doing a very respectable profession. You are economic drivers of growth for India. So we respect that. And that has now been recognized.
And realizing our dream of a world-class facility at our site in Nilokote Industrial Park in Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. Now, I am delighted to walk you through state-of-the-art Amway manufacturing plant at Madurai. We have been able to achieve 6 million safe man hours in the plant till date. We have built a very high quality, fully operational laboratory to test every raw material coming in and every finished good that goes out of the plant. As per world-class manufacturing practice standards, there are separate warehouses for different product categories, so that there is just no chance of cross-contamination of products or any degradation. We have designed this plant to be self-sufficient and are building in-house every utility that is required in the plant. We have main power coming from the government supply, and we have diesel generators to back them up 24/7. There is extensive use of solar power with the installation of one of the biggest rooftop solar plants in Tamil Nadu. We also have in-house steam generating capabilities and a fully operational water treatment capability too. Well, in line with Amway's philosophy to support local communities, we are fully engaged in corporate social responsibility activities in the neighboring villages. In the rain shadow area of Madurai, we have built bore wells, which are currently servicing 300 families. Recently, we also conducted a blood donation camp with a local hospital. So that is a very quick preview of the plant that is getting commissioned as you are watching this video. Well, we are really looking forward to all your best wishes. We would like to thank